Hold on to your hats, folks, because today we're diving into a tech quake that just rocked the market. Alphabet, the giant behind Google, just saw a staggering $120 billion wiped off its market value. Yes, you heard that right. Billion with a B. What triggered this financial avalanche? Was it a rogue algorithm, a sudden shift in user behavior, or something even more sinister lurking beneath the surface? We're going to unpack this story piece by piece, revealing the hidden forces at play and what this means for the future of search and the tech industry as a whole. Now, the headline screams, search warnings. But what exactly does that mean? Well, it all boils down to concerns about the effectiveness and reliability of AI-powered search results. Think about it. We're increasingly relying on AI to sift through the vast ocean of information online and deliver us the answers we need. But what happens when that AI starts to falter? What happens when it starts delivering biased, inaccurate, or even downright nonsensical results? That's the fear that's gripping investors right now, and it's driving this massive sell-off of Alphabet stock. We're talking about the very foundation of Google's empire being questioned. This isn't just a minor setback. It's a potential existential threat. One of the initial red flags that popped up was the dreaded, "Are you a robot?" message. You know the one. Those annoying CAPTCHA challenges that ask you to identify traffic lights or crosswalks. While these challenges are designed to protect websites from malicious bots, they're also a sign that something might be amiss with the user's browser or network. Specifically, the message often points to issues with JavaScript and cookies. JavaScript is a programming language that enables interactive elements on websites, while cookies are small files that websites use to track your browsing activity. If either of these is disabled or blocked, it can trigger the "Are you a robot?" message and potentially disrupt your search experience. While this might seem like a minor inconvenience, it's a symptom of a larger problem: the increasing complexity of online security and the constant battle between humans and bots. The article also mentions the terms of service and cookie policy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who actually reads those things, right? But in this case, they're actually quite relevant. These documents outline the rules of the road for using Google's services and explain how the company collects and uses your data. By agreeing to these terms, you're essentially granting Google permission to track your online activity and use that data to personalize your search results and target you with ads. However, concerns have been raised about the transparency and fairness of these policies, particularly in light of recent data privacy scandals. Are we truly aware of the extent to which our data is being collected and used? And are we comfortable with the trade-offs we're making in exchange for using Google's services? These are questions that are increasingly on the minds of regulators and consumers alike. Now, let's talk about ethics. The disclaimer mentioned in the article raises some serious questions about potential conflicts of interest. StartupNews.fyi acknowledges that some of the investors they feature may have connections to other businesses, including competitors or companies they write about. This is a common issue in the world of tech journalism, where the lines between reporting and promotion can often be blurred. How can we be sure that the information we're reading is truly unbiased when there's a potential financial incentive to favor certain companies or investors? This is a challenge that all media outlets face, and it's crucial for them to be transparent about any potential conflicts of interest. The disclaimer is a step in the right direction, but it's ultimately up to the readers to critically evaluate the information they're consuming and to be aware of the potential biases that may be at play. The disclaimer also mentions website upgradation and potential glitches. This is a reminder that even the most sophisticated websites are prone to technical issues. Whether it's a server outage, a software bug, or a simple coding error, these glitches can disrupt the user experience and even compromise the security of the site. In this case, StartupNews.fyi encourages users to contact them directly if they encounter any problems. This is a good practice, as it allows them to address the issue quickly and minimize the impact on their users. However, it also highlights the importance of having a robust technical infrastructure and a team of skilled engineers to maintain and troubleshoot the website. In the fast-paced world of tech, even a small glitch can have a significant impact on a company's reputation and bottom line. While we're focused on Alphabet, let's take a quick detour to Japan, where tech giant Panasonic is cutting 4% of its global workforce due to faltering profits. This is another sign that the global economy is facing headwinds, and that even established companies are feeling the pressure to streamline their operations and reduce costs. The reasons for Panasonic's struggles are complex, but they likely include increased competition from rivals, changing consumer preferences, and the impact of geopolitical tensions. This news serves as a reminder that even the most successful companies can't afford to rest on their laurels, and that they need to constantly innovate and adapt to stay ahead of the curve. The tech landscape is constantly evolving, and those who fail to keep up will inevitably be left behind. Okay, shifting gears completely. Let's talk about Mother's Day. Apparently, one of the hot gift ideas this year is a compact smartphone. Now, I'm not sure how that relates to the Alphabet stock crash, but it does highlight the continuing importance of mobile technology in our lives. These compact smartphones are designed to be easy to use and carry around, making them perfect for busy moms who are always on the go. But beyond the convenience factor, these devices also offer a powerful suite of features, including high-resolution cameras, fast processors, and access to a wide range of apps. So, if you're looking for a last-minute gift idea for your mom, a compact smartphone might be just the ticket. Just make sure she knows how to use it. Otherwise, you might end up spending the day troubleshooting her tech issues. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: India-Pakistan tensions. The articles mention the closure of the Kartarpur corridor and Caltecha's decision to declare work from home for employees in Chandigarh, Gurugram, and Noida. These are serious developments that could have far-reaching implications for the region and the global economy. The closure of the Kartarpur corridor is particularly concerning, as it disrupts a key religious pilgrimage route for Sikhs. And Caltecha's decision to implement work-from-home policies is a sign that companies are taking the threat of conflict seriously. These geopolitical tensions are adding another layer of uncertainty to the already volatile tech market, and they're likely contributing to the overall sense of unease that's driving the Alphabet stock crash. Investors are wary of putting their money into companies that could be affected by political instability or military conflict. So what's the solution? How can Alphabet and other tech companies restore investor confidence and ensure the future of AI-powered search? Well, there's no easy answer, but here are a few key steps that need to be taken. First, companies need to be more transparent about their algorithms and data collection practices. Users need to understand how search results are generated and how their data is being used. Second, companies need to invest in improving the accuracy and reliability of their AI models. This means addressing issues like bias, misinformation, and the potential for manipulation. Third, companies need to prioritize ethical considerations and ensure that their AI systems are aligned with human values. This is not just a technical challenge, it's a moral imperative. And finally, companies need to engage in open dialogue with regulators, policymakers, and the public to address the concerns surrounding AI and its impact on society. The future of AI search depends on our ability to navigate these challenges responsibly and collaboratively. The Alphabet stock crash is a wake-up call for the entire tech industry. It's a reminder that even the most dominant companies are vulnerable to disruption and that trust is a fragile commodity. The future of AI search is uncertain, but it will ultimately depend on our ability to address the ethical, technical, and societal challenges that lie ahead. So what do you think? Are you concerned about the future of AI search? Do you believe that Alphabet can bounce back from this crisis? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the latest tech news and trends. The tech world never sleeps, and neither do we.